YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a jewelry jar unjarring. It's been a while since I opened up a jewelry jar. My daughter got me this from Savers for $7.99, and she said, hey, here, have some fun. So here we go. Here we go. Let's cut her open. There we go. $7.99 is pretty cheap. So I wonder if they lowered their prices, because they used to be $9.99. Okay, what we pulled out off of the top is this necklace here. These are wood, painted to look like metal. Look nice. It's a nice necklace. This is a elephant made in Thailand. Keychain. I love elephants. It's an earring. And another earring. This one, I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. It's got purse hooks on it. So maybe it went to a purse, or maybe it's a belt. It's a loop to make your pants look cute. You put them in your loops. I bet that's what that is. Cute. Here is a necklace. Looks broken. It was $2.99 in their store, and it looks like someone broke it. That's too bad. Cute. It's another necklace. Nice big feather with this purple doohickey with feathers on it as well. That's cute. I like that. Kids bracelet. Stretchy bracelet. My daughter actually likes these kind of bracelets, so she'll probably get that one. It's a pretty gold tone feather bracelet. Oh, another necklace, silver tone. Alright, I thought that was going to be harder, but it wasn't. It's a wire necklace, no markings, little black baubles. This is really pretty coral beads. Beaded necklace. There we go. I love that. That's very, very pretty. This one is metal chain. And it is also pretty. I like that too. No markings, but very pretty. This one was worn a lot. Look at the chain on that. But you can change the chain out. That's pretty. I see why they wore it a lot. It's gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Here's a match to that earring. Yay. Oh, that's a nice necklace. That off of there. It's got a nice big magnet on there. Closure. Made by Tablets. That's nice. This is a broken bracelet. Put that with our broken stuff. A couple little earrings here. Here is a strand of beads. Called artistic beads. Put that with our beaded stuff. A couple of little earrings there. This is a choker. It's different. It's copper and gold tone. Very pretty. This one is pretty. I love the color on that. Gorgeous. Uh-oh, this one's broken too. Oh, that's too bad. Nice big beaded necklace. Would have been beautiful. We'll put that in our broken stuff. And another beaded necklace. It's also broken. Nice work though. And then the end of the jar. This is a belt buckle with an anchor on it. A little flower. That'd be pretty on a mini album. This looks like a one necklace with a tag. There's nothing on the tag though. I'm sure it had a nice little charm or something on there. It's still in good shape. This is broken. And then you have all this goodie here that's also broken. Little copper ring. That's too bad. But that's it, guys. This is trash. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.